Good morning, children of Grange. Good morning, EYFS at Grange Primary School and people of Grange. Well, special assembly because we have children who are stars of the week and also class champions, and we have classy class as well. But before we start, we need to remember we have good listening, we have kind words, we have great actions. We have confidence for ourselves. We have consideration for everyone. We say, sí, vamos, let's go. So, children, who are our gold stars of the week? Well, in Alan Turing, we have Murray, Glenn and Isabella. I am so proud of you. In Bob Marley class, we've got Elias and Dario and Sophia D and Ryan. I am so proud of you. And in Greta Thunberg, we've got Rosanna and Houston and Adera and Lauren and Sophia W. Well done. I'm proud of all of you. So you are the gold stars of the week. Everybody, we need to be proud of them and get inspired by them so we can also be brilliant. And now what we need to do is think about who is the classy class of the week. Well, in third place with 112 points is Bob Marley class with Shema and Elias as the class champions. Well done. In second place is Alan Turing class. It is Murray, Glenn and Isabella with 177 points. So the classy class of last week with 410 points, with class champions Sophia W, Aliyah R, Lauren S and Houston, is Greta Thunberg class. Give yourselves a big pat on the back, Greta Thunberg class. Put your hands on your heart and give yourself a CC salute. And everybody, let's get inspired. Now, the message for this week is, it's good to compete, it's nice to be ambitious, but when you think about competition, try not to think about being better than somebody else, or being the first, or being the best against somebody else. Try and think about always improving yourself. So you say, if that's how fast I can I run faster? I'm not worried about how fast somebody else can run. Can I run faster than I ran yesterday or at the beginning of the day? Can I keep on improving my time? Can I keep on doing better and better at whatever I do? Now, if you want to know how you're going to do great actions look like sharing, like taking turns, like listening, and like being really polite. So if you see me, you could say, good morning, Mr. Kerbal. How are you? And I could say, I'm looking forward to a wonderful day. And I could say, good morning to you. How are you? And you could say to me, I'm going to have a wonderful day of really caring and sharing, taking turns, and being confident and considerate. And don't worry if you can't remember all those words. Just say, I'm looking forward to a wonderful day. So children of Grange, I hope to pop into your classes and see you soon. Have a wonderful, wonderful week ahead.